Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall.
Ooh, babies. Hey brownies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jenny. I leave my brownies to follow their God-given purpose on this channel, and that's pretty much what I'm all about. So, you guys, this video is all about edge control. Now, you guys know that I love myself some good edge control, you know what I'm saying? And I think I finally found the one for me, and I've been using this product for like almost a year now. And I love it to death, you guys. Like, I know a lot of you guys are natural, a lot of you guys are relaxed, a lot of you guys are transitioning. Now this edge control, I promise you, it is literally for every single person out there. Like, I used it when I had natural hair. I am now relaxed and I still use it up to today. It is hands down my edge control. Like, it's like it's the holy grail, okay? Like, when I tell you, I never have to worry about my edges ever looking atrocious. And now there's a certain way you have to use this edge control, because this edge control can be a hit or miss for you guys if you don't use it a certain way. Now, this is how my edges look after laying them down. And you guys see, like, they look yummy. They're not white, they're not disgusting, they're not anything. So let me show you guys, let me just shut up and show you guys the product, okay? So this is the product, you guys. Like, I used to use this one, the citrus scented one. This is my sister's, and I just used it today. It's the cherry scented one. God, they're so cute. They're so freaking adorable. So first of all, the packaging is everything. Like, I'm telling you guys, I used it for a year, and look, you can still see some product in there. Like, there's still some leftover. Like, you really don't need a lot, and it lasts you a long time. So I love that you really get what you pay for. Now, I paid $7.99 for this at my local beauty supply store, but my sister paid $10.99 at our beauty supply store back here at home. But it ranges just about that $7 to like $10, $11, depending on where you end up buying it. But I definitely think it's definitely worth it compared to other edge controls that I've personally tried out myself. So this is the Style Factor Edge Booster. It is a stronghold water-based pomade, and they have like a bajillion different scents. So whatever scent that you want to go for, you go for it, okay? So what it says on the package is Edge Booster with natural argan oil, creates high sheen, moisturizing and textured natural look, also long lasting and has a strong hold. And you guys, like, I really believe everything that it's saying, because edge controls, I don't know, like, some of them can give you that nice hold that you want, but then it can look white and just sitting on your edges. There's other edges that, there's other edge controls that are like moisturizing, but they just don't hold your edges. Like, I had a lot of them that would just get really oily and gross on me after a while. So what they say here for the directions is that you rub a small amount into your hands and then apply it evenly on dry or damp hair, and then you style it as desired. Now, I feel like this edge control, it doesn't work well on completely dry hair, and I'm gonna tell you guys why from my experience, and even like my sister when she would use it on her hair. I'm gonna tell you guys, do not use it on like dry hair, because when your hair is dry and you put it on, it's kind of gonna just cake up. It's gonna kind of turn white as you put it on, and I feel like this works better with like water, because it says on the package like it is a water-based pomade. So it's like, I feel like it will work better with water, and that's what I've noticed with putting it. Like, I'll just be showering, you know, come out, and then when I'm about to do my edges, I'll go and quickly do my edges while it's like a little bit like wet, not like dripping wet, not like that, but just like a little bit wet, you know what I'm saying? And then you just lay them down. And I just love how they look. Like, you see how they're just laid. Just laid. They're laying. So I love that, you know. I love that. I definitely think you guys should go and check out this edge control. You guys should definitely go to your beauty supply store. Go and get them. Go and get them. And I just love it. Like, I literally love it. And it works well even on laying down like your baby hairs for your wigs and stuff like that. It's my other sister, she used it on her hair too, and it really laid it down and it didn't get all cakey and gross too. So that's why I'm just really raving about this, because you guys know I would never ever put on my channel like a product that I really don't really believe in unless I know for a fact like it works. And I don't really do product reviews on my channel like that. So if I'm coming to you and I'm screaming at you to go and get it, that means you should go and get it now. And just so you know, this company never sent me this product to try out. Nope, nothing. Just today they actually just posted me on their page, and I was like, wait, what? Okay, cool. Let's get big, let's get big. Just kidding. But you guys definitely check out these products, and if you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to become a brownie. Make sure you guys also hit that like button down below, and it helps me out a lot if you guys share this video with your friends, your family, whatever. Please now. So I love you guys so much. Have an awesome blessed day. I love you guys.